Well, we're about to change focus here just a little bit. This is all within the realm. Oh, look at there. That's not working. Let's see what we got here. That's not turning out at all, is it? Let's turn in that one. And that's what we want to achieve. We want to achieve taking these doors off of here, because I'm going to take them to the woodworkers and they're going to get stripped and stained and everything like that. We're going to start redoing the kitchen cabinets. Looking forward to it. So what do you think? Huh? Oh, let's look at what we've just done here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 doors taken off. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more to take off. Well, I guess I hit it right in the middle, huh? How lucky is that? Yeah, I'm not going to be I'm going to let Ann take care of the staining and stripping and all that kind of stuff with the doors. She's pretty good at that stuff. Matter of fact, she's got a treat for me here as soon as I get rooms ready for it. I've had Bernie for 1.5 years. That's how long we've had this table. It's a drop leaf and insert leaf expandable table. And my plan here, actually, once I get the work done here, is to take these 2 folding tables out, clean out that area over there, get rid of that with those white shelves, get rid of those makeshift shelves there, and actually stick the table, the fancy table, up there on that level. This house is an old house. Here in the kitchen where I'm at was not the original house. Through that portal on that side, that is the old house. And in the old house, this first room here was the kitchen. Then they had where the bay window is was a small kind of dining area, and that was not open concept. You can see that it's not open concept because right up there at the top is where the dividing wall is. And then they had living room down on the far end. None of those could have been big size rooms at all. What's now the bathroom was once a bedroom. What's now the hallway closet used to be the bathroom. And what is the front bedroom has always been a bedroom. So that's the way we go. Oh, do I got a bunch of stuff to do. But anyway, we got the doors down. Now, let's see if we can get that board back down and take that to Ann as well. She has volunteered. Don't ask me why, but she has volunteered. I'm gonna take her up on it. Let's see if we can get the rest of this down too. Yes, I have begun to dig out my winter clothes. We had our first frost, not this morning, yesterday. So we are officially in Indian summer, which is different than what the last 2 or 3 years have been. So the last 2 or 3 years, we've had really, really, really late frost. We had frost. One year we did not have frost until I think it was the 2nd of December. It was that particularly late. Usually you can figure out frost around here anytime from the 3rd week of September on. And so we got our first frost this year in the 2nd week of October. And yeah, one of those things for sure. Okay, I'm about to take that board back out of there. And because that's going to go with me to the gal that does the staining and stuff for me. She's done some neat stuff for me. I appreciate her. I appreciate her a lot. Now, let's go from top down here. Oh, I don't have the right bit in here. This is a Torx head bit. This takes a Torx head bit. I still have my number 2 Phillips in there. Not gonna work. That should work better. That should work pretty good, really. So, I think you saw me scribe those lines. And so when I get the thing back, I can reinstall in the same holes with it lined up and not make a bunch of a mess here. Well, we're getting screwed up. Oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those days. Maybe that one didn't hit. That one might not have hit hit the stud. It's the reason why I increased. That's another of the reasons why I increased the number of studs there. Hey, that worked well, didn't it? When I put that there, I thought, I bet that's not how that's supposed to be stacked. But hey, you know, you do what you gotta do. Let's see what happens here. See if I can convince that thing to come out. Get a couple things working together here. Ah, come on. There we go. Now I'm behind the screw with the claw. Just rotate that on around up. So I can get the drill motor on it. There we go. Ain't pretty, but it's done. It really does not surprise me that I had to do that. Some of these cinched right down like they were into a good hard stud. Others just kind of hit the end. They felt good for a while, but at the end they just kind of spun. Which they probably went through a lath or something for it to feel good initially. That's See, this was backing right out. That's what's supposed to be happening. Okay. I remember right. I put 7 of those things in this thing. Oh, if they all come out that nicely, this won't go too badly at all. Once I keep dropping them. Okay. Well, the nice thing about this is I can pretty well rest assured that over half of my screws have hit the stud. Yeah, it's even bringing out both drywall and wood beyond the drywall. So that's good. What do I got? 2 more? Nope, 1. Okay. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Lift up. Lean over. Pull out. Now then, let's set it here for a minute and see how long it takes me to recoup, catch my wind, all that good kind of stuff, and see where we go from here. I want my first cleat just above this knot. I think we're going to work. I still haven't got my cleats found and ready to go. Let's see what happens here. Yeah. Cool. Well, let's see what happens with the short break. My short break turned out to be kind of a messed up afternoon. And away we go. See those 2 white pencil lines? Those will line me up when I get that thing back here. I'm going to take it and have it refinished. Actually, it's not refinished. That's a raw board. But yeah, take it, have that done, and we'll get this all put back together. I'm not sure when we're going to finish this project. But hey, at some time, it's going to get there. Well, listen, thanks for coming along. Thanks for putting up with me and doing all the neat things that you guys do, subscribing and all that good kind of stuff. I do appreciate that. We're up to pushing 65 now. I think last time I checked, I think there were 63 subscribers. Bunch of crazy people, huh? Yeah. I don't know. This will probably never get to be a big channel. I think you gotta have something more interesting than what I do before it becomes a big channel. But hey, away we go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Come back again tomorrow. Bye-bye.